hop on here and do a little tutorial on the ephemera that you got in your kit. I want to show you some things that you can make for your junk journal, your prayer journal, or your Bible. So I made these cute tags. They're very easy to make. Doesn't really take that long, but I love making my own ephemera and stuff. Okay, so I did these two right here. You got this one and this one. I made these two out of stamps. So you did get stamps in your kit. These did not come in your kit. Y'all got these right here, the coffee and Jesus one. So you do have a Bible journaling set that goes along with this. So we can make this ephemera, and then you'll have it ready for when I do my tutorial. Okay, so we're going to use these today, but we're going to, we're going to use our stamps. If you don't want to use the stamps, I'm going to show you how to use, you did get some pictures and some tags in your kit, and then we're just going to decorate them up and add some little, just some little charms on there. And then this gives you writing space on the back, and you could just stick it or clip it in your journal or whatever. Okay, so I'm going to show you, these are what we're going to make. Now I'm going to show you what we're going to need in order to make them, so you can get it all ready before we start. All right, so you need to get your kit out and all your pieces like this. This is what we're going to use to decorate with, and I'm pretty sure you should get quite a few tags in there. You're going to need some scissors, your stamps, of course. I showed you the ones that came in your kit. I've got a few extras just to show you what I have here. Cute little coffee cups and some flowers, but I'll probably just stick to the ones that came in your kit. You're going to need a little bit of glue and a paintbrush or a brush to put it on with. Okay, and then this is just some little charms and bulb pins and little rhinestones that I like to decorate my page with, or my tags with. Bulb pins should have came in one of your kits, but you can get all of this at Hobby Lobby or Michael's or even on Amazon. When I'm done, I will post everything on the video at the end of the video where you can get it and how much it is. And then let's see here. These are my little sunflower charms. Got those at Hobby Lobby as well. And then this is my distress ink that I'm going to use to kind of just to give it that vintage look. That's what I use. And then you'll need a little sponge brush. This is optional. You do not have to run out and buy this if you don't have it. Okay, so if you do the stamps, you're going to need something to color your stamps with. So I've got, you can use coloring pencils, you can use oil crayons, you can use watercolors. And then this are the little circles that go around right here where you punch the hole. That just makes it look better, more finished. You can get these at Office Supply. Pretty sure Hobby Lobby has them, or you can order them on Amazon as well. This is to attach our charms. So you get these are just jewelry pliers. You can get these at Walmart in the jewelry section or any craft store. I got these at Walmart, and I use these all the time, especially when I'm doing my beading. Okay, got to have this. If you are journaling or Bible, I use this all the time. And so this will help you punch your holes in there. Then since we're doing stamps, you will need your stamp plate. That did come in your kit, so you will need that. And then I like to use glitter and these little foil flakes. These were both from Dollar Tree. This is your double-sided tape and your little 3D squares. This is also from Dollar Tree. I always go there and stock up on this because I use all this all the time and I run out. So I always make sure I have plenty. Oh, and then you'll need some ribbon. And then this is, okay, so if we don't use the stamps, you can use the little pictures or the tags that come in your kit and we can decorate them. And all you're going to do is do it like this and then outline it and cut around it. And that makes your little tag. Okay, so we're going to do those. And then you're going to need your words that came in your kit. And then these are just the little jewelry connectors. We'll need those to put our charms, to attach our charms. And okay, so you don't have to do this, but I love eyelets. This just makes it look better when you attach the charms, and they'll go through that little hole there. And you can get these at Hobby Lobby, any craft store, or any tool store. I can't think of the name of it here at Conway, but you can go get a cheap one. It comes with these and the eyelet punch for $5. Really cheap. But this one is the memory keeper one, so it's a little bit more expensive. But you can go get a cheap one. Works just the same. So yeah, that's everything that we're going to need to get started. So go get your supplies together and get your desk organized. Look how cute this candle is. This is from Dollar Tree. And then I've got my candle burning here, and I got my Christmas lights up. After I get done with this challenge this week, I've already decorated my room. So I will be starting on our Christmas stuff. So I'm excited about that. All right, so go get your stuff, and I will get started on this next video.